So here is Danny Daffodil. Danny is a producer. So from his leaves, he produces oxygen by taking in carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water. And out of his leaves, he puts oxygen into the air. Hooray! So then Danny Daffodil gets eaten by the ant or any other primary consumer who might plants or basic consume. Not consumers, producers. And then a secondary consumer eats something like the ant named Anthony. Juice. And then a human eats the anteater or the tertiary consumer. The secondary consumer, which makes them the tertiary consumer. And then a mushroom or another kind of decomposer breaks down the human when it dies. And then it goes back in the cycle where Danny Daffodil consumes producing a mushroom or another decomposer. And this is the cycle. So this is the energy pyramid. An energy pyramid shows where the food comes from and how many layers or consumers eat on top of the former consumer. So it starts with the producer right here, you see? And then a primary consumer eats it here. And then we have a secondary consumer eats it here. And then a tertiary consumer eats it here. And so on. Like infinity. And then after that, there is a decomposer. Like a mushroom, which I showed in the cycle earlier. Yeah. It is shaped like a pyramid. So the larger amount of energy to be gained from the bottom. So this is the biggest. And then this is a little less. Or divided by 10. This has another. Divided by 10.
Joe said, "What does Manchester?"
So then, the reason that there is less energy available at each level of the pyramid is because there is less energy from farther up the pyramid. So, say you are eating a tertiary consumer, such as maybe a crocodile, and they would have less energy available in them because it would be energy from the producer, and then the primary, and then the secondary, and then the tertiary. So you have less energy available. Humans use this information to know that if they eat closer to the bottom of the pyramid, they will be getting more energy. And that is something true of vegetarians. So they are gaining a lot of energy, more than others, because they are eating lower down on the food chain. Thanks.